In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete an element in card.co. If you've been working on a project in Card and have decided that certain elements no longer fit your design, you're in the right place. Removing unwanted elements can help clean up your layout and enhance the overall appearance of your page. So, let's dive into the step-by-step process. First things first, you'll need to log into your Card account. Once there, locate the project that you want to edit. This should be the page where the element you plan to delete resides. Click to open this project and you'll be greeted with the layout of your chosen design. Seeing your project laid out will help you visually navigate to the element in question. Next, you're going to scan through your page to identify the specific element you intend to remove. This could be a text block, an image, a button, or any other component. Taking a moment to hover over and check each element helps ensure that you're targeting the right one. This step is crucial because you don't want to mistakenly delete the wrong element and disrupt your design. After you've pinpointed the element you want to delete, click on it directly within the page. This action serves a dual purpose. It not only selects the element but also opens its settings in the left-hand panel. This panel is the control center for modifying or deleting elements. By clicking the element, you bring its settings options to the forefront, allowing you to make precise modifications. Now, with your element settings visible, direct your attention to the bottom of the settings panel. Here you'll notice several icons, but we're looking for one in particular, the trash can icon. It's strategically placed at the bottom, designed to allow users to dispose of elements they no longer need. Observing its position, you might be tempted to hesitate, but rest assured this is what you've been aiming for. The final step is quite straightforward. Click on that trash can icon to remove the element from your page. Just like that, the unwanted piece of content is gone and you'll notice your page realign without it. Taking a pause to visually reassess your layout is a good practice, ensuring that the rest of your design remains intact and visually pleasing. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can easily delete any element in card.co. Cleaning up your design has never been easier, and with these instructions, you'll be able to enhance your project significantly. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials that make tackling your digital design tasks a breeze.